This instrument is a new type of automatic range digital multimeter with 40,000-bit high-precision true RMS and analog bar display, which is newly developed by our company. It displays a digital height of 30 mm and comes with 41 analog bar displays, allowing users to easily and intuitively read. Below is the voltage measurement, and you can see that the results can be measured very quickly. Current measurement. At the same time, a current clamp can also be used to measure the current. Now we are measuring resistance, LED, and capacitance. It is commendable that it has backlight function. Looking at its on-off test, the most surprising thing is that it can also measure temperature. The 688K is equipped with shockproof rubber sleeves, which are durable and protect the instrument from falling, and other accidents, making it safer and more reliable. Can help us safely and accurately solve problems with cars and household appliances.